So, as leadership of the region, how did you take the news and what was the initial reaction?
I'm still finding it difficult to believe that this is true because, in fact, on Wednesday morning, I called my colleague, the Eastern Regional Minister, to discuss some few issues, relating to security. Apparently, she was in Obuasi for a responsible mining program. So when I called her, she picked the call and started, crying. And I asked what was happening. Then she broke the news to me that there was a helicopter crash, and she dropped the phone. Then the news started coming in. Apparently, people we have worked with, people we know. We received the news that they are no more. About 2 weeks ago, Dr. Omani Buama, Dr. Mutala,